Good afternoon. We have some incoming vehicles today. We have a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, 2021 Ford Mustang Mach 1, Audi Q5 2020, 2021 Chevy Malibu LT. We got a 2019 Toyota 4Runner, 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, we have an Audi 2016 Audi S5 convertible, flood car, runs and drives. We got a 2021 Jeep Renegade, and a 2020 Jeep Wrangler. Not Jeep Wrangler, Jeep Grand Cherokee, I'm sorry, I apologize for that. Limited. They'll all be on the website soon. Prices, details, title types. If you see anything you like, give us a call. If you like the content on our YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.